Windows keeps running a bunch of hidden features in the background, and most gamers never realize they're slowly eating performance. So in this video, I'll show you the Windows features you should disable in 2026 to clean up background load, reduce stutters, and make your PC feel faster for gaming. So watch till the end. Let's dive in. Now guys, first right-click on the Start button and open Terminal as Administrator. If you see Windows PowerShell Admin, you can open that too. When Windows asks for permission, just click Yes. Once the terminal opens, first we're going to check if memory compression is already enabled on your system. So copy this first command, paste it inside terminal, and press Enter. Get-MMAgent. Now look carefully for the line called memory compression. If it says true, that means memory compression is currently turned on. If it says false, that means it's already disabled, and you don't need to apply this tweak. Now guys, if your memory compression value is showing true, copy this second command, paste it into terminal, and press Enter. Disable-MMAgent-memory compression. Once the command is done, close the terminal and restart your PC. Memory compression is a Windows feature that compresses RAM in the background. It can help some low RAM systems, but for gaming PCs with enough RAM, it can add extra CPU work while your game is running. So disabling it can help reduce background load and make games feel smoother, especially if you were getting random stutters. Alright guys, quick tip before we continue. If you're still using an unactivated version of Windows or overpaying for software, you're honestly wasting money for no reason. I've been using this site called Keysoft, and it's basically a marketplace where you can get Windows 11 Pro and Office Pro keys for way cheaper than official prices. First, just open Google and search for Keysoft, then click on the first result. You'll land on their product page, and from here, you can just select what you need and add it to your cart. Now, this is the important part. Before you check out, make sure you apply the discount codes. Use VORTEX50 for Windows products and VORTEX62 for Office products, and you'll see the price drop instantly. After that, you can just proceed to checkout and choose your payment method like PayPal or credit card. So yeah, if you want genuine keys at a much lower price, check out Keysoft. I've left all the product links in the description. Go grab them from there and apply the codes before they expire. Now guys, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run box. Inside the Run box, type this, gpedit.msc. Now press Enter. If Local Group Policy Editor opens, follow this path. First click Computer Configuration, then open Administrative Templates, then open System, then open Power Management, and after that click Power Throttling Settings. Now on the right side, look for the setting called Turn Off Power Throttling. Double-click on it. When this window opens, first check what it is currently set to. If it is set to Not Configured, that means Windows is still allowed to use its normal power throttling behavior. If it is already set to Enabled, that means power throttling is already turned off. Now to disable power throttling, select Enabled, then click Apply, and then click OK. And yes, this setting sounds confusing because the option name is Turn Off Power Throttling. So when we set this option to Enabled, we are enabling the rule that turns power throttling off. Power throttling is made to save power by limiting background apps. But on a gaming PC, we don't want Windows randomly reducing performance behavior while we are playing. For gaming, stable CPU behavior is more important than saving a tiny bit of power, especially on desktop PCs. Alright guys, now press the Windows key and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Once it opens, click on Hardware and Sound. After that, click on Power Options. Now look at the left side and click Choose what the power buttons do. When this page opens, click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. This will unlock the shutdown settings below. Now scroll down and look for Turn on Fast Startup. If this box is checked, that means Fast Startup is enabled on your PC. To disable it, simply uncheck the box. After that, click Save Changes. Now restart your PC. Fast Startup sounds useful because it makes Windows boot faster, but it doesn't fully shut down your system properly. Sometimes it can keep old driver states, power states, or weird Windows behavior after shutdown. For gaming PCs, a clean restart and clean boot are usually better than a fake fast boot. Now guys, press Windows key plus I to open settings. Click on Gaming. Now open Captures. Inside Captures, check if background recording is enabled. Look for options like Record What Happened or Background Capture Settings. If this option is turned on, Windows may record your gameplay in the background. Now turn off Record What Happened. After that, go back to the gaming page and open Game Bar. If you don't use Xbox Game Bar, turn it off from here. If you do use it, at least make sure background recording is disabled. This setting is important because background recording can use GPU, CPU, memory, and storage while you are gaming. If you already record with OBS, NVIDIA Shadowplay, or another tool, you don't need Windows recording in the background too. Turning it off can help reduce random stutters on low-end and mid-range PCs. Now guys, press the Windows key and search for View Advanced System Settings. When it's appear, open it. Once the System Properties window opens, stay inside the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Now you'll see the Visual Effects window. First, check what your PC is currently using. If it is set to Let Windows choose what's best for my computer, Windows may keep extra animations and effects enabled. For the best performance setup, select Adjust for Best Performance. But guys, this can make Windows look very basic. So if you want a cleaner balance, you can select Custom and keep only a few useful options like smooth screen fonts. After that, click Apply, then click OK. Windows animations and visual effects make the desktop look smoother, but they also add extra background work. This won't double your FPS, but on low-end PCs, reducing visual effects can make Windows feel faster and more responsive while gaming. Alright guys, now press the Windows key and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel, and once it opens, click on Hardware and Sound. Now, click on Power Options. Inside Power Options, check which power plan your PC is currently using. If your PC is using Balanced or Power Saver, that means Windows may still control performance more aggressively to save power. Now look for Ultimate Performance. If you already have Ultimate Performance available, select it. After selecting it, don't close this window yet. On the right side of the Ultimate Performance plan, click Change Plan Settings. Now, click Change Advanced Power Settings. A new small window will open. Here, scroll down and find PCI Express. Click the small plus icon next to PCI Express, then open Link State Power Management. Now, set it to Off. This stops Windows from putting your PCI Express connection into a power-saving state. For gaming, this is better because your GPU and other PCIe devices can stay more responsive instead of Windows trying to save a tiny bit of power in the background. Now, scroll down and find Processor Power Management. Open it, then click Minimum Processor State. Set the value to 100%. After that, open Maximum Processor State and set that to 100% as well. Once both processor values are set to 100%, click Apply, then click OK. Now restart your PC so the power plan changes apply properly. By setting PCI Express power saving to off and keeping processor states at 100%, we're making sure Windows is not constantly reducing power behavior while you're gaming. This can help with smoother FPS, better responsiveness, and fewer random performance dips, especially on desktop gaming PCs. Now guys, press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for System Configuration. Open System Configuration from the search result. Once this window opens, click on the Services tab at the top. Now before touching anything, this part is very important. At the bottom left, you'll see an option called Hide All Microsoft Services. Make sure you check this box first. Now, after checking Hide All Microsoft Services, you'll only see third-party services from apps installed on your PC. Here, look through the list and find services you don't really need running all the time. For example, Updater services, launcher services, RGB software services, printer services, cloud sync services, or random app background services. First, check the service name and manufacturer. If it belongs to something important like your audio driver, mouse software, keyboard software, antivirus, or anything you actually use, leave it enabled. But if you see services from apps you don't use while gaming, simply uncheck them. After that, click Apply, then click OK. Windows will ask you to restart your PC. Click Restart so the changes can apply properly. These background services can silently run every time Windows starts, even when you're not using the app. One service alone may not destroy FPS, but when too many useless services run together, they can eat CPU, RAM, and background resources. Disabling the unnecessary ones can make Windows lighter before you even launch your game. That's it, guys. Try these settings on your PC and let me know in the comments if your games feel smoother or more responsive. And if you want more helpful Windows 11 gaming optimization guides, watch the playlist showing on your screen right now.